Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to you quick and easy mobile photography tips. Take pro level shots with just your phone. Stick around till the end of bonus tips. Let's go. First things first, clean your lens. Your phone stays in your pocket all day and smudges can blur your photos. A simple wipe can make a huge difference. Turn on grid line in your camera settings. Use the rule of third to position your subject slightly off center for a more balanced shot. Adjust focus and exposure. Tap on your subject to adjust focus. Want better lighting sides your finger up or down to control exposure and avoid overexposed or dark photos. Natural light is key. While using flash, natural light gives a soft professional look for best results. Shoot during golden ho- hour, sunrise or sunset. Keep your hands steady. Shake hands. Blurry photos. Use for both hands a tripod or lane on a surface for stability. For action shots, use brushed model. Bonus tip: add it like a pro. Editing makes a difference. Apps like Snapseed and Lightrooms help adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness without over editing. That's it. 5 quick tips to level up your mobile photography. If you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more as awesome content. See you in the next video. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe my channel and also give me a comment that what should you need to wa- please subscribe my channel and like my videos and also share with your friends who are interested in photography and or videography. These 5 tips will help them to improve their photography. So we will meet in next video.